Hello everyone, this is Spencer with Hush Holsters yet again. Check out the new shirt. Whoa, these will be on the site soon. So, got a little gift for the world. The SKS Forced Reset Trigger. So, on some advice from a person that I consider at least an acquaintance, maybe a friend, I would hope, who is a very, very talented, very adept, very technically savvy guy, I was told that I should disclose this as soon as possible. So this is the SKS FRT. It's going to be really hard for me to demonstrate it like this. But basically, when you pull the trigger, bang, as the bolt cycles backwards, and we can do it like this, huh? It kicks the trigger finger forward into the reset. Right there, this is the first version of it. Still pulling, right? Pulling. Ta-da! So, kicks your finger back into the reset position and then fires upon everything closing. We are working on a way to make this selectable. I don't have that exact way yet. We're thinking about like a double sear surface in some way, but this is the SKS FRT. The only modification required will be a new part in your fire control group and a hole. This is way too big of a hole, I understand, and a hole drilled in the bottom of your SKS receiver, which is very easy to do. I know the hole's too big, relax. So, yeah, I'm disclosing that. Today is June 30th or July 1st, one or the other, I can't remember. But yeah, I'll demonstrate it one more time. Maybe it'll work better this time. Pull the trigger, still holding it. Kicks your trigger finger back just a hair. Needs to go a little further. Right about, come on you dork. Anyways, right about here. And then, ta-da! So, let me know what you think in the comments. I think this is the first. We also have our flat face trigger here. We have a really cool magazine release coming sometime this week as well. So, let me know what you think in the comments. This is disclosing. Thanks.